Okay. Whitney Houston. That's the one of my favorite. I hope you like it. Okay, enjoy po tayong lahat. Memorable po kasi sa akin tong awitin na to. Ah, namimiss ko po yung kajuit ko neto sa Pilipinas. I miss you, sis. All at once, I finally took a moment, and I'm realizing that you're not coming back, and you finally hit me all at once, all at once. I started counting teardrops, at least a million fell. My eyes began to swell, and all my dreams will shattered all at once. Ever since I met you, you're the only love I know, and I can't forget you. Nor I must face it all alone. All at once, I'm drifting on a lonely sea, wishing you'll come back to me, and that's all that matters now. All at once, I'm drifting on a lonely sea, holding on to memories, and it hurts me more than you know, so much more than it shows. All at once. This song is brought to you by Ultra Placenta. Pampaputi. Remember when I held on in the rain, the nights we almost lost it. Once again, we can take the night into tomorrow, living on feelings. Touching you, I feel it all again. Did we almost have it all? When was the love we had worth giving? The ride with you was worth the fall, my friend. Loving you makes life worth living. Did we almost have it all? The nights we held until the morning, and I never loved that way again. Did we almost have it all? Oh, this is my favorite songs. I really like this. I hope you like it. And the seasons of a love will always change, I know. Maybe that's the reason you felt you had to go. But soon you'll be missing me, darling, I know you will. There's a magic we share together, and no one can break that spell. You're still my man, nothing gonna change it. Don't you know, you ought to know, we belong together. You're still my man, and nothing gonna change it. Oh baby, oh darling, you're in my heart forever, 'cause you're my man. Without you, Don't you know, you ought to know, we belong together. You're still my man. Thank you. I like this.